kukunin namin yung plate number sa Toyota today with my sisters and my mother and my daughter. Nandito kami sa may Apag Maranglen. Tapos si Ate Luis nagda-drive. May driver. Mainit. Si Ayla nabibilan. Ayla.
At yung pamoy kayo. May-ari lang.
Nakuha na po. Bawal pakita. Bawal pakita. Okay. So, ba't lumayo ka? Bye! Pero lagi na naman everyday. So, everyday. Saga. Baka mahulog. Very professional. We're going to Coffee Bean and TV's. Delivery daw kami ni Andy. Delivery kami ni Andy. Is the other door? Mami. Pro tip, paglalabas na may kasamang baby, isama yung lola para may magbabantay sa baby. Yay! Tahan natin si Daddy. I love you. Good morning po! Galing kaming SM kahapon and namili ako ng some things for Ayla. And ito yun. This Tiny Buds laundry detergent for her clothes. Socks! Ang cute to, parang shoes. A pair of socks. A pair of socks. Open na natin. Dito na tayo mag-open. the background yung toy ni Ayla. This is a Lego, actually dupe lang ng Lego, of a Starry Night. Like this. Tumingin kasi ako sa website ng Lego kung magkano yung legit na ganito. And it's like 7,000, 11,000, basta ganun kamahal. So nakakita ako sa Shopee for 800 pesos lang. Tatsagain ko tong tapusin kasi, girl, gusto ko talaga no. This one. It's a scrub suit, guys. There you go. It's pink. Included na sa package yung top, bottoms, and this cap. Ano niya? Okay. This small package, and it's a toy stethoscope that matches her pink scrubs. Ayan lang. It's a cushion for her stroller kasi kahit na merong pad yung stroller, mas comfortable kung meron siyang mas malambot na ganito. Yan. I'll put the link down in the description box if you also want to purchase this